Hi, class. You just watched an Annie and Moby on empathy and compassion. And you learn that when you show empathy, you think of other people's feelings. And when you show compassion, you are kind to them. And when I think back to some of Mr. Rasmussen's morning meetings, he always ends it with be kind to keep it nice daily. Now, I'm sure you're doing this while you're at school at home, but over the weekend, I want to give you a challenge. Could we have a kindness challenge for our class over the weekend? Could we try and show our kindness, our compassion to our family members? And through the video, we know there's lots of different ways to show compassion or kindness. It doesn't cost money. We don't have to get it from the store. It's what we do. On the next slide, I have some ideas for you on how you can be kind over the weekend and hopefully always by saying nice things to others, giving them compliments. Even a simple smile is an act of kindness. Being happy for others. Maybe someone else won the game, and to be a good sport, you tell them, good job, way to go. That's being happy for others. Encouraging my friends and my family. Maybe offering help, cleaning out the dishwasher, shoveling snow. Hopefully that's gone pretty soon. You can be kind by sharing and taking turns. Maybe you have a brother or sister who wants to use something of yours. Be kind and let them use it. Share with them. Caring about others, asking them how they're feeling today, if something is wrong. Listening when others speak is a way to be kind and using good manners. Please, thank you are some manners that you might use. So, my challenge for you over the weekend is see if you can keep it nice daily. I know you do many of these things, but let's try over the weekend to make an even bigger effort to do these things. On Monday, when we have our next Nearpod, I'm going to have a little check in for us where we can share our kindness challenge and how we were kind to our family over the weekend. Good luck, and we'll report back on Monday on how we were kind to others in our kindness challenge.